In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add birthdays in Apple Calendar on your iPhone step by step. This process is quite straightforward and ensures that you never forget an important birthday again. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to search for the Calendar app on your iPhone. You can do this by simply swiping down on your home screen and using the search bar to type in Calendar. Once you see the calendar icon, go ahead and tap on it. This ensures the app is up and running before you proceed to the next step. Next, you're going to click on the Phone app. This is where all your contacts are stored and managed. Once inside the Phone app, you'll want to create a new contact. This is crucial if you're adding a birthday for someone who's not already in your contacts list. For those already in your contacts, you'll be editing an existing entry instead. Now, if you're creating a new contact, you'll enter their basic information first. For existing contacts, locate the contact you want to update and tap on it. Once you've opened the contact's information page, look for the option labeled Edit. This allows you to modify the contact's details. Here comes the important part, inputting the birthday details. Scroll down the contact's details until you find the field for adding a date. This is where you'll specify their birthday. If there's no birth date field visible, you might find an Add Birthday option. Tap on this to open up the date selector. Input the specific date of birth using the scrolling calendar interface. You can easily swipe through the day, month, and year to select the accurate details. Once you have the date set, you simply tap Done to save the changes to that contact. Your contact now has a birthday associated with it. The next step is to open up your Apple Calendar. Once you're in the Calendar app, look towards the bottom of the screen for the Calendars button and tap on it. This shows you all the various calendars you can subscribe to, like holidays, work events, and of course, birthdays. Make sure you check the option which includes birthdays by tapping on the small circle next to it, ensuring that it is selected. This will add all your contact birthdays to your calendar view. After that, you can go back to the main calendar screen. Now check the calendar for the date you input earlier. You'll find it highlighted with the birthday you just added. And there you have it. The birthday is now successfully added to your Apple Calendar, ensuring you'll get the reminder you need, and that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, adding birthdays to your Apple Calendar becomes a breeze, keeping you organized and on top of all those important occasions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tech tips.